Hi, seventh graders. I'm Mrs. Haskell, your librarian. I'm really looking forward to this year. This year you will be visiting the library a lot more than last year. So I look forward to that. You'll be coming in with your ELA classes. So come and see our wonderful collection of books. And there's lots of other resources that I look forward to showing you. We're going to have a great year in Heights Library. Can't wait to see you.
Welcome to the new school year. I'm Mrs. Pepke, and I am so excited to be teaching the new Consumer Economics Elective. It's going to be a great year, and I am so looking forward to meeting all of you.
Hi, I'm Bobby Lopez. I'm one of the 7th grade teachers here at Heights, New Mexico history. And welcome to 7th grade. It's going to be a great year.
Hi, this is Miss Sanchez. I teach 7th grade New Mexico history, 7th grade. So I'm looking forward to meeting all of you on the first day, and I'm looking forward to having a great year.
Hallo und wie geht's? My name is Oliver Bauer. I'm one of the science teachers here at Heights 7th grade. And I'm from Germany. I'm looking forward to welcome you into my classroom and tell you a little bit more about my country here. See you soon.
Hi, I'm Mr. Bigay, and I'm your other 7th grade science teacher. I'm looking forward to meeting you guys too and doing some experiments in the classroom. See ya.
Hi, everyone. My name is Kelly Broughton, and I teach 7th grade math and 7th grade accelerated math, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of you in the classroom.
Hi, my name is Matt Burks. I teach 7th grade math. Can't wait to see you guys in person, ready to roll this year and learn lots of fun stuff about exciting math.
Hi, I'm Laura Dalton. I teach 7th grade language arts, and I'm really looking forward to a fun year full of reading, writing, and learning.
Hi, I'm Tina Akins, and I teach English language arts as well. I know this will be a great year, and together we'll make this fun. So now that you have met all your wonderful teachers in 7th grade, information about the beginning of the school year. So first, the great news, of course. So your 7th grade year will start with supplies provided to you at no cost, breakfast and lunch provided for the entire school year at no cost to you, and laptops will be distributed very soon in the next few days. So please make sure you take advantage of these great opportunities. Next slide, please. We're still in the pandemic, so please note that our procedures have remained the same. So please wear your mask whenever you are inside the school buildings and complete the RUFNA screening prior to your arrival at school. Your 7th grade year at Heights will start on Thursday, August 12th at 8:30 a.m. Breakfast will be a grab and go system, and it will be available in our cafeteria starting from 8 a.m. So come and grab your breakfast and then report to your first hour class. The field, unfortunately, cannot be used yet for mass gatherings. So in order to know where to go, we ask you to check your schedule in PowerSchool at home. There is a new URL, so go to fmsnm.powerschool.com/public. So FMS stands for Farmington Municipal Schools and NM for New Mexico. So that's all that is new, fmsnm.powerschool.com/public. If possible, check your schedule on your phone, take a screenshot or memorize your first hour so you know where to report to. Also, don't worry, we'll have printed schedules for you in the comments on Thursday. So we can't wait to meet you and get the school year started. We're excited to get to know you on Thursday and are looking forward to supporting you throughout your 7th grade year here at Heights. So welcome to 7th grade Heights Nights. Before we end, I want to just give you some information about how to always stay in the loop with the latest information that is published in various channels by Farmington Municipal Schools or by us, Heights Middle School. And these information, like on the right, are information about when do sports start, when are games, what is free this year, things like that. you can always check the Heights Middle School website. You can follow Farmington Municipal Schools or Heights Middle School on Facebook. You can check the information that your parents receive via email or phone. And you can also check information on Schoology. Once you have your laptops, you'll be in a Schoology group called 7th grade, and there we'll share all this information. So have a wonderful beginning of the year, and we're so excited to meet you.